Do you love biking, but find that your Subaru Forester just isn't big enough to hold all of your bikes? Never fear. We have compiled a list of the 5 best bike racks for Subaru Forester. These racks will allow you to transport your bike safely and securely, without taking up too much space in your vehicle. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Mount Rack. Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Mount Rack is a top-notch, premium option that is undeniably the best bike rack for Subaru Forester. This is because of its 22 inches long carry arms that allow you to store up to 2 different bikes at the same time. In addition to this, the carry arms can be folded to save space for other materials and contribute to the trouble-free storage of the bike rack when you are done with the task and are not planning to use it for the time being. Although the rack is available in the pre-assembled form, you might have to organize a few components together after purchasing it. The assembly is relatively easy and does not cost you a lot of time and effort. Therefore, you can do it at home without any technical guidance or help. The rack can be secured using the bolts to ensure that it will not loosen during uneven rides. The bolts also reduce the vibrations to a great extent and prevent the rack and bikes from moving excessively, hence, protecting the vehicle and rack from collision and damage. Number 2. IKURAM R2 Hitch Mount Bike Rack. IKURAM R2 Hitch Mount Bike Rack is manufactured using alloy steel and is associated with exceptional durability and strength. In addition to this, the wide carry arms do not cause any issues while holding 2 different frames and offer enough space for the bikes to hang properly without colliding with each other. The steel is further coated with protective powder for protection against corrosion and scratching that might result due to changing weather conditions and other external factors respectively. Moreover, the bike rack features a dual-arm mounting design that contributes to its exceptional stability and prevents the bikes from falling when riding uphill, especially on rough terrain. Another highlighting feature associated with the rack design is the tilt-down access to the rear end of your vehicle. This means that you can fold the rack using the tilt-down feature and easily reach the back of your car without removing the bikes and the rack repeatedly. Similarly, the arms are also foldable and can be converted into a smaller unit for effective storage and transportation when the rack is not in use. Various users highly appreciate this feature because it enables them to conveniently store the rack in the trunk of the car once they have reached the destination and don't need it for the time being. Number 3. KACK2 RT2 Hitch Mounted Rack. KACK2 RT2 Hitch Mounted Rack is a unique product that stands out among the rest of its competitors on the list in terms of construction and design. This allows you to save time during the installation process and contributes to outstanding time efficiency. This, coupled with the anti-wobble system, prevents the bikes from vibrating excessively while they are being hung on the bike rack and also eliminates the slack between the rack and the receiver, thus decreasing the collision and minimizing the overall damage to a great extent. Along with these above-mentioned features, I also admire the adjustable padded clamps that not only provide the required cushioning to the bikes to prevent them from physical damage but can also be modified according to the bike frame and size to achieve the required fitting. The clamps secure the bikes properly against the racks and prevent them from falling while they are being carried away on your vehicle. Besides this, the rack also offers you wide wheel holders that are used to secure the wheel of the bikes and prevent them from moving until they are unmounted from the vehicle. The rack also features a large storage capacity that enables it to hold 60 pounds of weight per bike, which is the reason for its high popularity and excessive market demand. So, if you are searching for the electric bike rack for Subaru Forester, then I highly recommend trying out this option. Number 4. Hollywood Racks Mount Bike Rack. Hollywood Racks Destination Hitch Mount Bike Rack is an ideal example of a versatile, heavy-duty bike rack for Subaru Forester. The rack is made up of alloy steel and plastic and can carry up to 35 pounds of weight per bike. Despite being extremely lightweight, the rack was sturdy and did not display any issue associated with durability throughout the ride. The design of this bike rack is different from its previously mentioned counterparts and is characterized by the inclusion of movable wheel trays. The bike is hung on the movable tray and then secured using the ratchet straps. The ratchet strap is responsible for securing the wheels so that they do not move when the bike is being transported from one place to another on the vehicle. Apart from this, the sliding and rotating attachment is another significant component of the rack and secures the frame of the bike. Both these components work together to restrict the movement and wobbling of the bike during installation and transportation, hence, decreasing the damage associated with collisions and excessive movement. Number 5. Thule Apex XT Bike Rack. The Thule Apex XT Bike Hitch Rack might be a bit expensive but is worth the investment considering its unmatched performance and quality construction, which add 5 stars to its abilities. Furthermore, the rack is also highly popular for its decreased vibrations and high stability, which makes it a suitable option for Subaru Forester, especially when you are planning long road trips and need a sturdy and stable rack to carry your bikes. Along with these attributes, another highlighting aspect of the product is the anti-sway cradle that ensures a smooth journey and reduces the contact between the bike and the vehicle, thus decreasing the potential collisions and damage that might result from the collisions. The installation procedure is also relatively simple and does not require a lot of time. During installation, I did not face any vibration or wobbling, and therefore, I was able to complete the bike rack installation smoothly. Similarly, after installation, the bikes can be secured using the cradle strap, which decreases the bike movement and secures them properly, hence, relieving you from the concerns of damage associated with excessive movement and falling. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.